look at Inovio Pharma roar up a monster 26% today. Hey, it was a really good day, but this was amazing. On the news of a major partnership with AstraZeneca that could be worth as much as $700 million in future milestone payments. For those of you who've never heard of Inovio before today, here's a small development stage biotech company with a very compelling proprietary immunotherapy platform. I know many of you like that, as well as some cutting-edge vaccine technology. Basically, Inovio's technology lets them create a fragment of DNA and inject it into your cells to produce targeted antigens, which help your immune system fight all sorts of diseases, especially, though, cancer. For example, today AstraZeneca partnered up with Inovio in order to get the rights to a therapy that helps your body generate T cells to kill various types of cancer caused by two particular strains of HPV that account for more than 70% of cervical cancer and can also cause cancer in the head and neck. The drug is currently in phase 2, and while AstraZeneca now has the rights to it, if all goes well, Inovio could potentially receive double-digit royalties on top of that $700 million milestone payment that I mentioned earlier. That's a pretty big deal, given the fact that even after today's epic run, this company's market capitalization is less than $600 million. Plus, this AstraZeneca deal is a terrific endorsement of Inovio's technology, the kind of thesis behind the company. The company has a broad pipeline of similar early-stage products, and while none of them are anywhere near coming to the market, that's important, it's possible this stock could be worth a lot more than the $8 and change where it's currently trading. Inovio's lead product is a synthetic DNA-based vaccine for cervical dysplasia, a kind of precancerous growth on the cervix that should enter phase 3 trials sometimes next year. I think this is an intriguing story, and perhaps more importantly, AstraZeneca does, and they know a lot more than I do. So let's take a closer look with Dr. J. Joseph Kim. He's the president and CEO of Inovio Pharmaceuticals to learn more about his company and its prospects. Dr. Kim, welcome to Mad Money. Good to see you, sir.
Good to see you.
Have a seat.
Great
Thank
to be
you.
here.
Well, Doctor, I know that the company's been around for a while, and I know that it's been working on some very difficult science. I look at what AstraZeneca did, because I know that they've got a great anti-cancer franchise, that this is an endorsement of pretty much your life's work.
Absolutely. In short, it's all about the T cells, as you said.
Right.
You need T cells as like your Navy SEALs of your immune system to seek out and destroy the cancer cell. And that's exactly what Inovio's products can do.
Now, a bunch of companies are working on immunotherapy, and we see them go up all the time. We always try to figure out what's different, why is one better than the other. Maybe they're all good. How is yours different from a lot of them that just kind of say, listen, we're in immunotherapy. Look at us. We've got the goods.
Right. Well, what makes Inovio different and unique, and perhaps better, is our ability to generate these specific T cells in the body.
Okay.
So we're generating these killer T cells, professional killers, Navy SEALs,
right,
that can seek out these cancer cells in the body specific to the cancer types better than anyone else out there.
Now, this also works, I should be clear, you're targeting not just cancers, but also Hep B, Hep C, influenza, HIV, and then I know you did a lot of Ebola work. It's the science that seems to have a shot against all these?
It's the same platform, synthetic DNA-based technology that allows us to go after these multiple types of diseases, including cancer and infection.
Now, is this deal, I know that it's a great milestones. Sometimes I want the company that I recommend to have everything and not have to use a partner. Why is it good to partner right now? After all this time when you've been working on this, is this like, kind of having to give some things away right at the finish line, or is this just an ideal partner for you?
Well, we have a strong platform that we can pump out products today, tomorrow, and the next day. I know you're a huge sports fan.
Yes.
So we have a strong farm team that can pump out strong first-line players. So partnering with MedImmune for INO-3112 and a couple of new draft picks allows us to grow and expand and build out more of our products in our pipeline. Were
there many companies that were knocking your door and you just liked AstraZeneca because of their strong anti-cancer franchise?
Absolutely. There were multiple potential suitors. We love the AZ and MedImmune specifically because of their aggressiveness and innovative positioning in this very competitive field of immunotherapy.
At the same time, it's not all been rosy. I mean, this has taken a long time. Why now? Why give away some of the upside now? Or is it just you finally where you have so many things going that it's worth it to partner for this particular element?
So we're partnering on first INO-3112 for head and neck and cervical cancer, but we have plenty of other products in our pipeline. Prostate cancer, INO-5150, breast, lung, and pancreas, INO-1400. So we can build on this strong partnership with MedImmune, who, by the way, has a very strong pipeline of checkpoint inhibitor immunotherapy molecules that can be used in combination with our products. Really, this is a perfect one-two punch to go after these tough-to-treat cancer cells.
Excellent. Well, sir, I know that this is a great partner. And also, congratulations. It's a big day for your company. That's Dr. J. Joseph Kim, the president and CEO of Inovio Pharmaceuticals. Do some work. Check it out. There's a lot of articles today about it. And stick with Cramer. Booyah! Jim Cramer here from Mad Money. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube. Click here to subscribe and get the jump on my exclusives with CEOs, plus market news, investing advice, and a whole lot more.